Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw R for ribbon. So let's get started. Now let's draw the ribbon. For ribbon, draw this pattern first and now join it like this and draw two heart shape in the side of the ribbon. First heart is this, and let's draw the second one. Make it really smooth. Now we'll join the edges to make it more beautiful. Now draw few lines in between. Now two edges of the ribbon like this and this. We are done. Now let's color the drawing. We are using green and blue color for R and a light pink and dark pink for the ribbon. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with your kids because this is specially for kids. Thanks for watching.